So here's our situation. We have a class named item. Then we have a properties. So text, which is a type of string. Description, which is also a string. Value, which is a type of int. And next, we have a parent form, which is a type of form. And we have items, which is a list of items. So basically the implementation of the class. Then next, we have a child form, which is a type of parent form. So let's just check on its properties. So you can see the items. So let's just add. So let's try to input a value. And our goal will be to show the text on this, and also to change the sorting. So the sorting should be text, description, and value. To start, we will override the toString function, and we will return the text. So let's just build and test for the meantime. So let's just add a value. So there it is. Next, we will add the system.component model, and we will set a custom attribute. Let's just call it custom order. So as you can see, it is error on Visual Studio. And next, we will add a class. So let's just add the word attribute. So custom order and custom order attribute. So we will make it public and inherit the attribute. Let's just add a constructor with a parameter and the public property that will store the value. So you can see now the error is gone. Next, we will set the type converter of our class. So let's just call it custom property sorter. And we will add this class. So custom property sorter. So let's just make it public, and we will inherit the type converter. Next, we will override the method or function get property supported, and we will just return true. Next step, we will override the get properties function. So let's just comment it for now. First, we will get the property collection of the object, which is in this case the item class. So let's just store it in a variable. But instead of supplying only the value, we will also supply the attributes. Next step, we will iterate on our property descriptor collection. So first, let's get the custom order attribute, which was set on the property. So let's just inspect the attributes. So index, and it accepts also type. So we can supply the type of our class. So custom order attribute. Next step, we will get the value of the attribute. So let's just make it a one-liner. So if our custom order attribute variable is null, we will make it 0. Otherwise, we will get the value. Next, we will create a dictionary wherein we will store the property descriptor or the property and the value of the attribute. So the first is property descriptor, then int. So let's just call it property and order collection. So now let's store it on the dictionary. So first, the property descriptor, and next is the value. Next, we will sort the dictionary. So our dictionary, property and order collection, and order by. So of course, we will order it by value. So the custom order value. And also, we can sort it by the name of the property. So key.name. And we will convert it into a dictionary. But instead of the property descriptor, we will just extract the name. And still the value. So let's just update the comment. And we will create a new dictionary again. And now it's string and int. And let's just call it sorted properties or property. Last step, we will now fix the return. So we will return the property descriptor collection. And we can sort it. So let's just inspect. So you can see it accepts an array of string. So we can now supply the sorted property to our dictionary, that is that to array. So let's just update the comment. So return the sorted property collection, which will be rendered in the properties window. Now let's build and test. We need to close the Visual Studio first before building the project. So let's now reopen it. So let's now build. Let's check on the child form. Let's add items. So you can see now text, description, and value. Let's try to input. So another one. Let's save. Let's reopen. So still text, description, and value.